Hi children, now we are going to see 6th standard mathematics chapter knowing our numbers, topics, place value, face value and expanded form. In this session, we are going to learn what is a face value, what is a place value, how to write expanded form of given number and exercise problems. Yeah, every digit in a particular number has two values. There are face value and place value. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. That is, face value is whenever unchanged. Next, the place value. The place value of a digit is the product of its place and its face value. That is, face value of the digit multiplied by value of the place. Let's see the face. Now let's see the example of place value. We already know place value is the product of face value of the digit and value of the place. The given number is 98 crore 93 lakhs 84,974. So now we want to find the place value of 9. So in this number we have 3 nines. So the first 9 placed at 100th place. Second 9 placed at 10 lakhs place. Third 9 placed at 10 crore place. Let's find the place value. The place value of first 9 is 9 into 100, 900. Because this 9 placed at 100th place. The face value of 9 is 9. So we have to multiply 9 and 100, we get 900. Next, the place value of second 9 is 9 into 10 lakhs, 90 lakhs. The place value of third 9, 9 into 10 crore, 90 crore. Now let's see how to write expanded form of a given number. So to write the expanded form, we follow two steps. The first one, we find the place value of each digit. Second step, write as sum of place value, or we can add place value of each digit. Now let's see one example of expanded form. The given number is 2,059,601. So we know place value is the product of face value of the digit and value of the place. Let's see the place value of each digit. So therefore, the place value of 1 is 1. The place value of 0 is 0. The place value of 6 is 600. The place value of 9 is 9 into 1000, 9000. The place value of 5 is 5 into 10,000, 50,000. The place value of 0 is 0. The place value of 2 is 2 million. So the first step is over. Let's do the second step. The next step is sum of a place value of each digits from bottom to up. So therefore 2,59,601 equal to 2 million plus 0, 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 1. So as the 0 is thousandth and tens place. So here no need to include the expanded form. So therefore 2,59,601 equal to 2 million plus 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 1. Now coming to exercise problems. Exercise 1.1, third problem. Write the place value in Indian system. So we know place value is the product of face value of the digit and value of the place. The first sum 9 in 89,05,674. So here 9 placed at lakh place. So therefore the place value of 9 is 9 into 1 lakh, we get 9 lakh. Next one 5 in 5,80,961. So here 5 placed at lakh place. Therefore the place value of 5 is 5 lakh. Next, the fourth problem. Write the corresponding numbers for the following. Third problem. Here there are given the expanded form of the number. Let's find the number. So first we can multiply 7 into 10 lakhs, 4 into lakh, 3 into 10,000, 5 into 1,000, 2 into 100, 5 into 10 and 1 into 1. So we get 70 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 200 plus 50 plus 1. Let's add the numbers. We get 74 lakh 35,251. Next problem. 8 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. So we have to multiply 8 into 1 lakh, we get 8 lakh plus 4 into 10,000, 40,000 plus 3 into 1,000, 3000 plus 5 into 10, 50 plus 6 into 1, 6. Let's add the numbers. So we get 8,43,056. Next, fifth problem. Write each of the following in the expanded form. The given number is 7 crore, 7 lakh, 7,007. So now let's find the place value of each digit and let's add the place values. So first, the place value of 7 is 7 into 1 crore. Next, the place value of 0 is 0. So let's find the place value of 7 is 7 into 1 lakh. Next, the place value of 0 is 0. Let's find the place value of 7. So 7 into 1000. Next, the place value of 0 is 0. The next place value of 0 is 0. So let's find the place value of 7. So 7 into 1. So let's multiply 7 into 1 crore. We get 7 crore plus 7 into lakh, 7 lakh plus 7 into 1000, 7000 plus 7 into 1, 7. Next problem, 8 crore, 11 lakh, 10,620. So here 8 placed at crore. So we can multiply 8 and 1 crore plus 1 into 10 lakh plus 1 multiply 1 lakh plus 1 multiply 10,000 plus 6 multiply 100 plus 2 multiply 10. So we get 8 crore plus 10 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 10,000 plus 600 plus 20. Sixth problem. Find the difference in the place values of two fives in 8,592,568. Let's find the place values of fives. So here the first 5 placed at 100,000th place. Therefore, the place value of 5 is 500,000. Next 5 is placed at 100th place. Therefore, the place value of 5 is 500. Let's find the difference between 500,000 and 500. Let's subtract 500,000 minus of 500. So we get 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 9, 9, 4. So the answer is 499,500. Next, the 10th problem. How many thousands make a million? So now we want to write the numeration of million and thousand. So let's divide the numeration of 1 million and 1000. So here 0, 0 will be cancelled, 0, 0 will be cancelled, 0, 0 will be cancelled. So therefore the answer is 1000. Therefore 1 million equal to 1000,000. So that is 1,000 make a million. 11th problem. How many thousands make a crore? Let's write the numeration of crore and thousand. Next, divide 1 crore by 1000. 0, 0 will be cancelled. 0, 0 will be cancelled. 0, 0 will be cancelled. So, equal to 10,000. So, that is 1 crore equal to 10,000 thousand. That is 10,000 thousand make a crore. 12th problem. Find the difference between smallest number of 5 digits and the largest number of 4 digits. Smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. Largest 4 digit number is 9,999. Let's find the difference between the smallest number of 5 digit and largest number of 4 digits. So, equal to 10,000 minus 9,999. So, we get 1. Second problem. Largest and smallest number formed by using the digits 6, 1, 4, 0, 3 only once. Given digits are 6, 1, 4, 0, 3. Let's form largest and smallest number. So, largest number means we know we have to arrange the digits greatest to smallest. Here, the greatest digit is 6. So, 6, 4, 3, 1, 0. Let's form the smallest number. Smallest number means we have to arrange the digits smallest to greatest. Here, the smallest digit is 0. So, let's move on. The next smallest digit. The next smallest digit is 1. So, we can start with 1, 0, 3, 4, 6. That is 10,346. Let's find the difference between largest and smallest number. So, therefore, 64,310 minus 10,346. Let's find the answer. So, here 10 minus 6 is 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. 12 minus 3 is 9. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 1 is 5. So, therefore, the answer is 53,964. Next, the 13th problem. Write the smallest 4-digit number having. First one, 3 different digits. So, therefore, 3 different digits are 0, 1, 2. So, let's form the smallest number. Smallest number means we know we can start with smallest number to greatest number. Here the smallest number is 0. So, let's move on the next smallest number. So, that is 1. So, therefore, 1, 0, 0, 2. Next, 4 different digits. So, let's take the 4 different digits are 0, 1, 2, 3. Let's form the smallest 4-digit number is 1, 0, 2, 3. 15th problem. In the number 6,782, interchange the digit is the tens place with a digit in the hundreds place. Write the new number which is greater, find the difference. The given number is 6782. Let's find the new number. So the condition is interchange the digit is the tens place with the digit in the hundreds place. So therefore 8 interchanged to 100th place and 7 interchanged to 10th place. So we get the new number is 6872. So therefore the greatest number is the new number 6872. Let's find the difference. 6872 minus 6782 equal to 90. Thank you, children.